If you are here with me right now, make sure that you say hi in the chat so I can take a look to see who's here. And it's not a big deal. I just want to make sure that I'm keeping track. I know I had many of you say that you wanted me to go live today for questions. I have not received any questions. So that's why I'm kind of looking at a 5-minute time frame, give everybody the opportunity to sign on who wanted to sign on. And then if there's any additional questions. Hi, Landon. Hi, Sarah. You guys are always so great. Very consistent. I appreciate that. But I just want to make sure if there are any questions that you guys can ask. Otherwise, I will continually check my email today to make sure that I continue to ask questions. I will tell you, and I'll type this out in Google Classroom, you too. I will put in the Google Classroom that you guys can ask me questions throughout break. Hi, Natalie. You guys can email me anything and I'll send them back to you as soon as I can. I just am asking if we finish our ENC pages or our test corrections or anything, that you email me either a scan of it or a picture of it as soon as you're ready, and then I can grade them periodically. I only have had a few get turned in, and I've put them in a file right now in my computer so that I have them, and I figure I'm going to grade them here over the next day or so just so that I can get them back. And I'll put this in Google Classroom as well. Hi, McKenna. You will see essentially the grade column go in. Those that have completed the assignment, their grade will go in. If you have not turned your assignment in by the 13th, a 0 will not go in your grade column. It will just be that you'll see a blank. So it's not going to count against you. It's not going to count for you. It'll just be a blank. Kind of my subtle reminder that you should be doing your work. And again, I'll put that in writing in Google Classroom. So I know that we have about 2 minutes before I said I would sign off. I don't want to keep anybody if it's not necessary, but for the 4 of you that are with me right now, do you have any questions that you wish for me to answer? And then I'll do so as quick as I can here. I still have no questions in my email. Doesn't sound like you guys have any questions. I hope you guys have a great spring break. I hope we all are staying safe and smart. Please do so. So your study guide for the test, Sarah, I would comment that at the end of the ENC pages, there is a practice test and a study guide at the end there that I gave you when I uploaded the book pages. I would probably reference those. I probably will send you, I'm thinking maybe a copy of either the skills practice that I required of the regular geometry class with the work, so you guys can kind of see how that is done. But as for anything additional besides, um, I'll think about if there's anything in addition. I would definitely look at the end of the E&C book chapter. That's there. And I'll look to forward you in Google Classroom the skills practice that'll kind of give you an idea of what to look for. Other than that, I would just kind of look through those E&C pages, reference questions that are very similar to like the ones I required of you. But I can honestly say it is not going to be earth-shattering. What you have been working on has been quite thorough between the no reassignments as well as the E&C pages. So I would say reference at least the E&C page review, and then I can always attach the skills practices. So, and again, email me over break, and I will, without a doubt, have time to answer any questions you have. If for some reason in looking at the E&C review, a number of you want to have a smaller Zoom session and we can go over questions, you guys amongst yourselves can always coordinate that. And one or two of you email me and I can set something up. Otherwise, we'll be done for spring break and kind of just enjoy family and get ready before Easter if you celebrate Easter, and get ourselves squared away for the next bout of us doing a chapter online. And hopefully I updated my Zoom this morning, so hopefully that'll work a little bit flawlessly at this point. So if there are no more questions, you guys have a great spring break. I will continue to check my email. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.